So wing fell off a Major, a cement mixer one, and I'm going to see now if I can actually slacken these. Don't think there's much hope, but we'll try anyway. I'll need a punch to get it out of socket. Let's see the front one's slackened and the back one. So I welded it on now where I think it should go. I'm not sure if it's actually the right place because, as you can see, most metal is actually missing to actually line it up with nothing. But I think that's where it goes anyway. So I'll try on the tractor now, and if it's wrong, they made a grinder for a reason anyway. So I'm trying now before I go any further patching it up, you know. So before I go further, I've just tried it on to see if everything lines up and doesn't, you know, it's not too far over or whatever. So I don't think the holes actually lined up before, you know, a bit higher up because of the safety frame. So that's alright, and the holes line up vertically anyway. So I'll go at it now, patch it up. So as you can see from the other side now, I wasn't exaggerating, there's not much to actually line up with. So I sort of lined up the bottom there and the bottom there and sort of hope it's the right place. So I had to cut that sliver off for obvious reason, you know, it has a lip on it. Straighten off. And I've marked it out now, square size I need. I need to trim angle of there and angle of there afterwards, but I think I'll take it all place and I can just trace around it with a little grinder. So that's the patch on. Just need to weld it in place really. So that's it done. Pretty agricultural repair, but it'll do. So I put those two little tabs at the top because the ribs inside there run up there, and they've rotted thin from the back basically. So I've just patched over and put it either side a good metal in. I just used some 40mm box section for the ribs, so you know, cut them there and put down and cut angles at the end of them, or inch and a half, whatever you want to call them. So that's the job done. It's not the best repair, but it'll last the tractor a few extra years anyway. So it's a working tractor anyway, just pottering about with a cement mixer. So it'll probably last it a decade or more. By that time, we'll probably be restoring it anyway and chucking these in scrap. We are fans of Sealey Lockon sockets. We've had a set of chrome ones for years then. So difference is, well, it's all six corner, but you have these grooves. See, two grooves there, and there. So when the nut starts to slip, those grooves help to catch it again, so it doesn't actually round the nut off and keeps on turning it. So they're very good for rounded or rusted nuts really. See this one now. Started to slip itself, you see? See the corner? And the grooves have just caught the edges of it again. So you know, that shows the, you know, proof and pudding in it. We've had a box now of impact ones to go with our impact wrenching. Well, we used to use the chrome ones, but you're not supposed to use them. Thing is, like, these are a bit stronger, plus the chrome ones, the chrome coating itself can peel off and get you in. So the black coating, that's why the impacts are all black then. It's just like a sort of powdery coating, so it doesn't come off in, you know, sharp sheets and, you know, chunks like the chrome does. So that's why they're always black then. But yeah, that shows exactly how it actually works. See, it started to slip and it's caught it in the first groove there. So you know, we've been impressed with these for years then. So just want to show that. So here are the old nuts that the Sealey sockets got off. See, this one now is really thin that side. This one now it's, you know, near enough all the way through to down to thread really. See if we can swear. So these are pretty manky old things. You see, they're all rotten off between there, not actually square anymore. Like I said, the proof in the pudding is the eating, and the sockets got these off, so they do work good. But I need to get some new nuts now for a couple of quid. I'm not going to risk my life for these because, you see, those bolts hold the safety frame on. So if it rolled over, I don't trust these with my life really. Hopefully it doesn't roll over, but you know, still a couple of quid, well, a day or so just waiting to get them. You're not going to risk it. So thank you for watching, and that's it from me for now then.